Shalom lekulam, hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning 50 Hebrew words you need in Israel. It's going to be 50 casual words that we use all the time. You might hear them when you're in Israel. It's really useful. Let's just take a look at the first one. And of course it's going to be Shalom. Shalom is hello or peace or goodbye. Shalom. Shalom. Next up is Toda. Toda is a good one. Toda means thank you or thanks. Toda. Sometimes we say Toda Rabba, like thank you very much. But Toda is good. And then someone says Toda, I can say to him Bevakasha. Bevakasha means please or you're welcome. Another very useful word. Toda and Bevakasha. So we had Shalom, Toda, Bevakasha. Next one, Slicha. Slicha is another good word. Sorry or excuse me. Slicha. Great. Next one is Boker Tov. Boker Tov means good morning. Boker Tov, good morning. Perfect. Next one, Erev Tov. This is another great word. Erev is evening, so Erev Tov is good evening. Erev Tov. And then good night would be Laila Tov. Laila is night. Laila Tov, good night. Amazing. Okay, let's continue. Yom Tov would be have a good day. Bye, Yom Tov. Something like this. Yom Tov. Easy. Now here, let's take a look at a few how are you words. Manishma is like saying how are you or literally what's heard. Hey, manishma, how are you? Or ma kore. This one is my favorite. Ma kore. When someone says ma kore, it's like what's up, what's happening, how are you? Ma kore. Great. Another one, a bit less common, is ma inyanim. You might hear that. Again, it's the same thing. How are you? What's the situation? Ma inyanim. Or ma hamatzav. Ma hamatzav is like, again, what's going on? How are you? Hey, ma hamatzav. All these words kind of mean similar how are you type. Also, there's ma shlomcha. Now, ma shlomcha is specific when I'm talking to a man. I would tell him, ma shlomcha, hey, ma shlomcha, and to a woman, ma shlomech. Okay? I could say, David, ma shlomcha, to a man, and Sarah, ma shlomech, to a woman. Good. I think we got it. Next one is a great answer for this is Hakol beseder. Hakol beseder. Hakol is everything. Beseder is fine or okay or alright. Hakol beseder. Metzuyan. Metzuyan is excellent. Metzuyan. I could reply saying, someone asks me, Roy, ma kore? Roy, what's up? I could say Metzuyan, or I could say Hakol beseder. Great. Next up, word number 17. Sababa. I love this word, sababa. Sababa is like saying cool or great. Ah, sababa. Could also mean like got it. So a lot of Israelis say it casually. If I tell them something, they can say, ah, sababa. Cool, got it. Like this. Next word, leitraot. Leitraot means goodbye. I know it says goodbye, but it's goodbye, okay? Goodbye, leitraot. Next word, number 19, is mazal tov. Mazal tov it means happy birthday or congratulations. So it's a bit confusing. But if someone has a birthday, I would tell him, hey, mazal tov. Or it could be if someone has a new house, I could also say mazal tov. So yeah, that's great. Number 20, be'atzlacha. בהצלחה is if someone goes to a job interview, I could tell him בהצלחה, good luck. Okay? בהצלחה. That's great. נעים מאוד. This is a great one. If you're meeting someone for the first time, we say נעים מאוד. שלום, נעים מאוד, אני רועי. Hello, nice to meet you. I am Roy, my name. Literally translates to very pleasant, but it means nice to meet you. נעים מאוד. Perfect. Okay, this is a good one. לבריאות. When someone sneezes, we say לבריאות. It could also be written לבריאות as it says here with the vowels, but the main way we say it is לבריאות. Both are accepted. לבריאות. Bless you. Like when someone sneezes. Next one is a great word. לחיים. Now, חיים means life. לחיים means to life. It's like cheers. לחיים, to life. Great. Let's see number 24. כן. כן means yes. כן is yes and לא is no. So we're already halfway here. I want you, if it's too much, if it's overwhelming you, take a pause, maybe write some words that are new, maybe say them out loud with me. This is a great way to practice. I don't want to overwhelm you. Take a glass of water. And let's continue. Number 26 is אולי. אולי is like maybe. I've had a funny joke that a student told me with this word. If someone says, oh, you should watch this movie, and you say, oh, maybe. It's like, ooh, lie. It's a lie. But that's just a joke. אולי means maybe. Okay? Number 27. בטח. בטח is sure, of course. בטח. Of course, sure. בטח. Okay, 28. בית. Bait is house or home. Bait, house or home. How can we remember this word? If you see a house for $50, what do you do immediately? Buy it. You want to buy it, it's a good buy it. So bait is house or home. Easy. 29 is אוכל. People mix this word because eat sounds the same. But if I say אוכל, it means food. אוכל. Perfect. 30 is מים. This one is a great word. מים is water. מים. Okay, let's continue to the next word, which is lechem. Lechem is bread. Like Beit Lechem, Bethlehem, means house of bread. Next one, chalav. Chalav is milk. Chalav. Cafe. Cafe is coffee. Cafe. Sefer. Sefer means book. Sefer, book. Kesef. Kesef is money. Kesef means money or silver. Kesef. This is a great word. Misada. Mishada. Misada. Misada is restaurant. Misada. It's like there should be a line after the S. It's like mishada. Mishada. Misada. I say it a few times because a lot of students have a hard time with misada. So that's why. Restaurant. Next one. Hayom. Hayom means today. Hayom. Machar. Machar is tomorrow. Machar. Machar. Etmol. Etmol is yesterday. Etmol. Yesterday. It's like saying, yesterday I was at the mall. Etmol. At mall. Easy. Number 40 is a hard one. Achshav. Achshav. It means now or right now. Achshav. So it's like two syllables. Achshav. Achshav. Correct. That's good. We have 10 more. Achar kach. Another hard word to pronounce with all the ch sound. It's like a mucus sound. Achar kach is later or afterwards. Achar kach. Achar kach. Later. This one is a hard one, but we're doing really good. Number 42. Chaver. Chaver is a friend. In this case, it means a male friend, a guy friend. Chaver. Mishpacha. Mishpacha means family. Mishpacha. Mishpacha is family. Important word. Okay. Tov. Of course, Tov is good because we saw Boker Tov, Erev Tov, and Laila Tov, and Yom Tov, actually. Tov is good. Ra is bad. I could say like, Ze Ra. It is bad, or this is bad. Often people just say Lo Tov. So that's easy. Lo Tov is not good, or Ra, which is bad. A few more left. This is great. Next one is Gadol. Gadol is big. Gadol. And remember, it comes after. If I say a big house, what would it be? We learned the word house earlier. It's bait, because you want to buy it. Now, would we say bait gadol or gadol bait? It's the opposite than English. We say bait gadol, house that is big. Bait gadol. Just wanted to show you a little bit about it. And 47 is katan. So we had bait gadol. I could say bait katan, a small house. Gadol and katan, small. Woohoo! Okay, yafeh. Yafeh means beautiful. Bait yafeh, a beautiful house. Yafeh is beautiful. Could also mean like as a, it's not saying like, ah, beautiful, or like, oh, nice. We say, ah, yafeh. Nice, beautiful. It's also like a very day-to-day like word in Hebrew. Okay, we're close to the end here. Cham. Cham is hot. Cham. Cham means hot. I could say kafe cham, hot coffee, or kar. It's cold. Kar. Kafe kar is like cold coffee, or it could also imply iced coffee. So cham is hot and kar is cold. And there's another bonus word which is sometimes trickier for people, which is tzoraim tovim. Tzoraim tovim is like good afternoon. We say tovim because tzoraim ends with a im, it's actually plural. So you might hear someone say tzoraim tovim. That would be good afternoon. But that's it, I promise, no more. That was really, really amazing. I hope you learned a lot. Again, please say them with me or write them down. Maybe write a comment with some of these words that you've learned. It's gonna be amazing. And I'm welcoming you also to download your free guides, your free PDFs. We have a lot of good, amazing things like the free 50 must-know Hebrew words on the left here, and the Jewish prayers before you eat. Really nice, really practical. You can see them in the link below. And as always, if you're looking for really taking your Hebrew to the next level, you can check out also our course. This is the 8 hours of course videos, quizzes, live classes, books, lifetime access, really everything you need to start your Hebrew journey. And it was a pleasure. Thank you guys so much. Toda rabah. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Yalla bye, להתראות.